thank you for tuning back into my YouTube video. Thank you for clicking this video. If you're already subscribed, nice to see you again. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I hope you do subscribe. So this week I'm going to show you how I achieved these, I'm going to say designer inspired Louis Vuitton nails or LV nails. Yeah, I'll link below where I got the nail decals. My last video was actually how to apply nail decals, so if you want to see that in a bit more detail, then please click that after you watch this video. So anyways, to start off, I'm just gonna paint a plain red / burgundy colour on alternate nails, so the thumb, the middle and the pinky, and then I'll cure that first layer for 60 seconds. Okay, after the first layer is done, I'm going to go over that with a second coat of the same burgundy colour and cure that again for 60 seconds. Once that's done, I'm going to apply a very thin layer of nail foil glue onto the plain nails. And as I said before, in all of my videos that I use foil glue, make sure that you wait until it's completely dry, completely clear. As you can see right now, it has that white opaque tint to it. You want it to be completely clear, and that's when you know it's ready to glue on your nail decals or your nail foil. So next I'm going to be taking some gold flakes and I'm going to stick these on the top, so the top corners of the nail, so the top left, the bottom right, and then on the other side the top right and the bottom left. That sounded so confusing, but you'll see exactly what I mean. But yeah, I like to just carefully lay down the foil, the gold flakes, and then I'll go in afterwards when I've placed them and properly stick them down. As you can see here, I've kind of placed them where I want them to be, and then I'm going to flip around my tweezers and pat them down flat. So moving on to the other set, you can actually see what I mean, or what I was trying to explain earlier very confusingly. So on this set, it's the top right and the bottom left where I'm applying the flakes. So now that the gold flakes are applied, that's nice and finished. We're going to move on to the other nails, which by now, as you can see, the foil glue has turned completely clear. So I'm going to just cut out the nail decals into, you know, the small squares, because I'm going to dip those into water and allow that to soak for 20 to 30 seconds. So now grabbing a paper towel, I'm just going to dab off the excess water from the decal, and I'm also going to separate it from the sheet and also dab that again so there's absolutely no water, so we can have a full adhesive, I don't know the word. Anyway guys, so I'm carefully placing the decal on top of the nail, making sure I've covered all the nail, and I'm just kind of squeezing out as much of the air bubbles as I can, but as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's good enough. And now I'm taking a nail file to file off the excess on the edges, because obviously the decal will be too large for the nail and you will have excess that you can just file off and peel off. So as you can see, there is one nail left and I'm doing the exact same thing to the remaining nail. So there we have the nails done with the designs. It's time for the top coats. Now I couldn't decide whether to do a matte or shine, so I did both. But I did do a complete shine finish on the actual LV nail decal nails. I don't know why, I just did. But on the ones with the gold flakes, on one hand I did a matte finish, which you will see. So this is me applying the matte finish on the other nails, and I'll cure all of those for 60 seconds. So here we have the end result, guys. We have some half shine finish and half matte nails, but at least it gets to, you know, show the different ways you can have the finishes, or you could have both. Anyways guys, I am done ranting. It feels like I've been talking for so long, but thank you for watching this video, and as always I'll link below my Etsy, my website and my Instagram. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!